is our first day on the beach at Waikiki. And we're just trying to settle down, get our stuff ready. Alright, I was super eager to go to the beach this morning. She kept repeating herself, I want to go to the beach. So we're finally here. She's happy. And Jonah,
is it really because of that, or you just didn't want to go?
Napping away.
We wanted to go, but this time.
So glad we brought her floater. That way she can kind of just drift a bit away from us and pretend she's swimming. Say hi, Crystal.
Hi.
And I'm like, and then I'm ready. I'm all sunblocked up and ready to swim in my not so bikini. I'm only showing legs. I'm not gonna show my body yet. Actually, a little cold. I guess you have to get used to it. It's so clear. Look how clear it is. Oh my gosh, when I watch this at home, I'm gonna be so jealous of not being here when I watch this.
This is my family. These are my girls. So normal. But I love them to death. First time in non-bath water. And Mama's already lecturing Lariah for throwing sand. Lariah! Lariah, say hi! What I should be doing.
So these three decided not to put sunblock. He's starting to get a sunburn on his back. And Crystal, show your legs! Look at her legs, they're so red. But then it's gonna be a nice tan after.
Spots here.
Yeah, exactly. See? In a week. So you gotta wait a week. First it'll peel. No, I'm kidding. Refresh up. I said we're gonna refresh up. My English is so bad on this vacation. We're gonna get some jamba juice. Jonah was getting fussy inside of jamba juice, so I brought him outside, and he doesn't like the air conditioning. He actually prefers the heat, which is good, so that way he's good throughout the whole trip. But we're just gonna walk along the strip and check out what else is around here, but I think we're just behind where all the action is happening. Get
tropical mango.
And I got papaya cooler, really good. I highly recommend this if you ever go to Hawaii. We don't have this in Vancouver, this flavor. What did you get? Hawaiian coffee? That's not Hawaiian.
So we're just in Waikiki to the little marketplace here. It's quite narrow space. If you navigate your way through, you'll find some unique pieces.
Very unique. Wow. Uh-oh, someone's crying. Oh.
Being in the marketplace, which was kind of cramped. Now we're in the open again.
And now we're here. It has all these
Rodeo Drive.
Yeah, it does look like Rodeo Drive. It has like Rolex and like Ferrari. And they have the Apple Store. And like she said, there was Forever 21 down there. Where's my baby? There's Lariah. Okay, keep going. You can have it. And she likes the papaya cooler. Alright, let's go see what else is on this trip, Lariah. We're gonna do some shopping. And there's more shopping here. Don't know these shops, but they seem to be more high-end. And there's more over there. And this one is really just taking her time. Raya, there's no more. No more. Hi. I'm having fun. Okay, we found a cute little shopping area. And it's like indoor and outdoor. And they're having a little modeling session over there. It's really cute. Raya, you might fall into there, be careful. Just watch, okay? I think they have performances over here. And then I think there's, yeah, more restaurants upstairs. It's really nice here. This little guy is attached to me now. He just wants to be carried. It's Spade store, but I don't need another purse. Yeah, Toy Birch. Oh, this is cool. It's like an outdoor mall pretty much.
That's the one like this in Miami.
Oh, really? Yeah, this is nice. We have like a factory upstairs. Cool hair. Did you like her hair? There's Starbucks, of course, and more shopping. I am so surprised I didn't spend anything yet. I've been pretty good so far. This is for shopaholics right here.
Oh no.
Oh no, this is Daddy's weakness right here. Sunglasses. Oh, Daddy's weakness right here.
What do you think?
This is his favorite aisle. The Carrera section. Hi, baby.
What do you think?
What do you guys think? Yeah, they're cool. They're different. Blue.
Blue?
Yes, definitely. Because you can match it more with other things. Whereas this one, you don't really wear that color. I had to get a shot of this. It's so nice. It's not every day you see this. And I guess you could rent these little, or big things. I don't know what they're called. Pedal boats? I don't know. This guy looks like he's ready to go surfing. But it's so pretty. It just keeps going. My goodness. Imagine living here. Doesn't that look like a screensaver? Seriously, look at that. What's right, baby? Someone's playing in the sand. Are you having fun, Raya?
Crying when she fell asleep.
Oh yeah. She's like, why is mommy getting mad at me? I'm just tired. Look, she looks like Jonah right now. That's Jonah's face, but 4 times the size.
So here we are at the Shorebird in Waikiki area. Really nice place. Look at that view. Now we're over the top waitress. Yeah. My tropical Mai Tai. Virgin margarita.
What'd you get? What you guys think? Actually, I'm gonna try that.
Which one?
Mommy mahi, please. To Hawaii.
Cheers to Hawaii. Can't tell, but my eyes are burning right now from all the smoke. Love the authenticity of this place. I think that's a Diamond Head mountain area, blah blah blah. Don't know what that means. That's what I was told. Keeps cooking them steaks. Let's take a look at the salad bar. World renowned, apparently. Look at that. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Got too carried away. I'm gonna take a slower approach here. Crystal's getting some Caribbean salad. Reva's gonna love this. She's probably gonna do exactly what I'm doing right now. Alright. Gotta go eat. Thanks.
Pineapple coleslaw, yes. Just because there's pineapple. I'm gonna take the big one. So, let's take 2. Mushroom quinoa risotto looks so good, so I'm gonna try that too. Okay, I think I'm done. So that's my plate. And now we eat and grab. We just finished eating at Shorebird. And seriously, I really highly recommend this place. Everyone was so nice and the food was amazing. And I think we made some friends as well. And the girl was really funny. What did you think of our waitress?
She was amazing. She deserved her tip. Really friendly.
So friendly.
Same place we went shopping earlier, but this is just at night. And they have a whole bunch of these like flame torches around. Hi! And that's pretty much it that's going on right now. I guess they just turned on all the torches and yes, I see you. And there's more there that you could shop. But I think they're all closed now, but it's like 9 p.m. already.
This is where we're staying in Hawaii for dinner.
Yeah, we just went, that's the Shorebird that we just came from. And then now we're just walking back.
It's actually at the Diamond Head Resort and Spa.
Is it? How do you know? Where does it say?
I just said so.
Oh. How did you like the restaurant we went to?
Huh?
How did you like the
really
restaurant?
good. Probably one of the best restaurants I've ever been to in my life.
Yeah, no, that's not
Life.
not even exaggerating. Seriously, true story.
In all aspects too, just the food quality, the service, the atmosphere. Really good environment. Oh, remember?
And she said that we were like amazing parents because I was eating my mahi-mahi with one hand, and while Araya was sleeping on Andrew, he was eating his kebab with one hand as well. And then there's one point where he was using no hands.
Oh, there's my car. Hold on.
Okay. Okay, because that's how you walk to your car. What, trippy? Yeah, what was your favorite part so far? Swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like the water.
Why did I do
And then, did you enjoy getting burnt? Look at your face. You're so dark already. Is it funny?
I like fish.
Do you like it when Yinong carries you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look, they sell Michael. No Coors, just Michael. Cause, get it? And then there's... I don't know. She's copying you, Andrew. Put on your shoes. She's like, like Dada, I want the feet. This place is open all night, so it's 24/7. And then there's a club right beside it. Tour of our crib that we're renting out here. Here we go. So when you come out into the door, we have our dining room area. He's like, I'll pass you. I'll pass my mama-in-law. And then this is the kitchen area. Really cute. Came with a microwave and has like a full-on sink, bigger than the one that we have at home. Has a 2-door fridge that is empty. We don't have anything. We've been eating out since we got here, but except for the zippies. And then we have like a full-on oven here with a little corner bar side over here. Maybe is it focusing? Okay. And then this is the living room area. By the way, it's owned by Filipinos. You can tell just by the furniture. And there's like a pull-out couch. It's not bad for the 5 of us. It's not anything fancy, but at the same time it's nothing too bad either. It's pretty, you know, decent for what we paid. We paid a pretty good price for this. And then here's the washroom. There's like a shower, and then so it's a full bathroom right here, and then Wayne and Crystal's room here. I won't go in there because just gonna respect their privacy. And then out here we have, hold on baby, we have a full-on balcony. Can't really see right now, but it's a really long balcony. It connects to our room, and then we just hung all our stuff in here. Here is our room. Oh my gosh, Andrew, look at your back. But she wasn't sun pretty long, so we just put aloe vera.
She wasn't looking. I was like, Lariah, what color is my back? And she's like, brown. And I was like, what? And then I was like, no, look at my back. And then she actually turned around and looked, and she's like, red.
Daddy's, that's with the light, and yeah, he is burnt. Yeah, when he went to Cuba back in 2010, he had 2nd-degree burn, and you would think he would learn from that. So yeah, he still didn't wear sunscreen. See your reaction.